Are you considering dental implants but are unsure about the cost, especially in India? Let's break it down for you and also help you decide if it is worth it. Hello, I'm Dr. Mansi Datta, practicing dentist and implantologist in Delhi NCR from the last 11 years. Now, what are dental implants? In which cases can we use them, and if you are a perfect candidate for them or not? We have covered all these topics in our previous videos. I've kept the link in the description box. If you haven't watched them yet, go have a look. To give you just a brief, in case you're missing one or multiple or all the teeth in your mouth and you need them replaced, dental implants is a fixed permanent solution for replacement of your teeth. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the finances. So I'm going to give you a small range in a typical Tier 1 Indian city. So for a good quality dental implant, single tooth implant will cost you something between 25,000 to 50,000. All on 4 implants will cost you something between 2.5 lakh to 5 to 6 lakhs. And a full mouth restoration will cost you something between 5 lakh to 10 lakh. Now that's a range. Why is there a range? We are going to cover that in the second part of the topic. And what are the different factors which cause this to be a range and not a fixed number. But here's an interesting fact. Now if you compare the same quality implants to say the implant cost in USA, you will be surprised to know it's not even 1/10 the cost. So typically a single tooth implant in US would cost you something between 3,000 to 6,000 US dollars, which comes out to be 2.5 to 5 lakh. So if you are from US, if you come to India, get the same quality implant, best dental care, and also visit Kashmir, visit Kerala, wherever you want. So you're just paying for the treatment, your trip is entirely free. Now quickly diving into the second part of the video, which is how can you choose between the different implants and why is there this huge range in the cost of implants? So the first factor is brand of implant. Now just like anything else you would consume, dental implants are also manufactured by different companies and different brands, hence the difference in cost. So some of them are higher end implants like Strawman or Noble Biocare, and some of there are more affordable options. In that we may have Israeli or Korean implants. Korean systems like Ostium, CWM, Dentium are great affordable options. At the same time, there are some Israeli options like Aiden and Alpha Bio. Just a tip, if you are from the US or from a different country looking for getting an implant, we'll suggest to stick to implant systems that are available in foreign countries also. Second factor, expertise of the dentist. Of course, a highly specialized dentist which is specialized in dental implants will be costing a little more as compared to a non or less experienced dentist. Third, location of the clinic. If you're going in Tier 1 cities, in metro cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta, prices are a little higher as compared to Tier 2 or Tier 3 cities. Finally, coming to the last segment of the video and answering the elephant in the room. Is it worth it? Personally, my answer would be a big yes. And here are a few reasons why. Firstly, it is a long-term investment. An implant, if done correctly, will at least stay with you for the next 20 years. Second, it improves the quality of life. It helps you chew better, it keeps the teeth, the jaw, the oral structures, it preserves the bone of your mouth. Next, as compared to a conventional denture or a bridge, it is low maintenance. It doesn't wear and tear too often. So in the long run, this comes out to be a better option as compared to the rest of its counterparts. Finally, I do agree that initial costs may appear a little higher, but do not fall in the trap of unlicensed clinic, cheaper materials or unsterilized environment. Stay safe and choose a trusted brand and a trusted clinic for yourself and your oral health. I hope you found this video useful. In case you have any other concerns or questions, feel free to ask us in the comments below or WhatsApp us on the given number. Take care, stay safe.